Welcome to Fantastic Vision. Please subscribe us before you watch today's video. Recently, U.S. Congressman Scott Fitzgerald proposed a bill aimed at abolishing the patents of Chinese technology companies in the United States, which attracted widespread attention from the outside world. According to a report by the New York Times, this bill passed the House Judiciary Committee with a vote of 24-0, which means that the U.S. government may use legislative means to deprive Huawei and other Chinese technology companies of their patent rights in the United States. As the company with the largest number of patents among Chinese technology companies, Huawei will face severe challenges. This bill was proposed out of the considerations of so-called national security defense and safeguarding the interests of Americans. The United States believes that China's scientific and technological development has caused serious damage to U.S. interests and national security, so it has decided to take action to abolish Chinese companies' patents in the United States to curb China's rise in the high-tech field. This unilateral approach undoubtedly violates international law and the principle of fair competition, and is a manifestation of hegemonism. As a representative of Chinese technology companies, Huawei has many core patents, especially in the 5G field. According to data officially reported by Huawei, Huawei has more than 120,000 valid patents around the world, of which more than 20,000 are granted to U.S. companies for use and patent cross-use. These patents not only allow Huawei to obtain patent fees, but also achieve mutual benefit through cross-use with patents from other technology companies. However, the U.S. bill will directly affect Huawei's patent rights. If implemented, Huawei's patents in the U.S. will be cleared. At the same time, the U.S. will inherit these patents and charge patent fees to companies around the world. This is undoubtedly unfair treatment of Huawei and other Chinese technology companies. For Huawei, losing its patent rights in the United States not only means huge losses, but will also have a major impact on its global patent layout and market competitiveness. As the world's leading 5G technology developer and supplier, Huawei's 5G patents play a pivotal role in the international market. Losing patent protection in the United States will put Huawei at a disadvantage in international market competition and will be detrimental to Huawei's further expansion of its market share and influence in 5G technology. At the same time, the U.S. government also stipulated in the previous sanctions list that once a company is included in the sanctions list, its patent rights will be automatically revoked. This approach is undoubtedly an abuse of the patent system and a trampling of intellectual property rights, bringing huge uncertainty and risks to companies and innovators. As an intangible asset, patents are of immeasurable value to companies and countries. This move by the United States is tantamount to plundering other countries' knowledge and innovation achievements, and has established a typical image of distrust of the United States in the international community. Patent rights are an important part of intellectual property and play an important role in protection and promotion for innovators and technology companies. Patent protection can not only stimulate innovation, but also provide enterprises with certain competitive advantages and economic benefits. For a country, having a large number of valid patents can not only improve the country's scientific and technological innovation capabilities and competitiveness, but also promote economic development and international cooperation and exchanges. However, the U.S. government's abolition of Chinese companies' patent rights in the United States will undoubtedly have a huge impact on the patent protection system. If this behavior is implemented, it will have a serious impact on the enthusiasm and innovation capabilities of global innovators and companies. The patent system is the basis for fair competition and knowledge sharing. Only by protecting patent rights can innovators be encouraged to conduct more research and development and innovation, and promote scientific and technological progress and social development. As a representative of Chinese technology companies, Huawei has achieved remarkable development achievements in the past few decades. It not only occupies an important position in the domestic market, but also achieved remarkable results in the international market. Huawei's success is inseparable from its continuous innovative technological strength and large number of patent layouts. Especially in the 5G field, Huawei is one of the most competitive companies in the world. However, in the face of a series of suppression and containment by the U.S. government, the difficulties faced by Huawei and other Chinese technology companies cannot be ignored. The United States' abolition of Chinese companies' patent rights in the United States will bring huge challenges to Huawei. Losing patent protection in the United States will not only mean reduced revenue and intensified market competition, but may also affect Huawei's status and influence among global technology companies. However, in the face of difficulties, Huawei will not give up its efforts and innovation. It will continue to strengthen technology research and development and patent layout, and improve its core competitiveness through independent innovation, cooperation, and exchanges. At the same time, the Chinese government will also increase the protection of intellectual property rights and provide corresponding policies and support to encourage enterprises to carry out technological innovation and patent applications. I believe that with the support and cooperation of all parties at home and abroad, Huawei and other Chinese technology companies will be able to overcome difficulties, maintain the momentum of innovation, and make greater contributions to global technology development. In short, the new U.S. law's abolition of Chinese companies' patent rights in the U.S. is undoubtedly a major blow to China's technological development and innovation capabilities. This hegemonic behavior not only violates international law and the principle of fair competition, but will also bring serious uncertainty and risks to global innovators and technology companies. However, patent protection, as an important part of intellectual property protection, needs to be respected and protected by all countries around the world. We believe that through the active efforts and cooperation of all parties, we can provide innovators and enterprises with a better innovation environment and development opportunities, and promote scientific and technological progress and economic development.